Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Admission Info. Today we will discuss about Jamia Hamdard University, which is located in Hamdard Nagar, Delhi. So guys, Jamia Hamdard is basically deemed to be university. Its ranking is also good and it is number 1 college for pharmacy. If we talk about their admission procedure, then for medical courses admissions are done through NEET, and for BTech admissions are done on the basis of JEE Main exam. And for bachelor courses like BSc, BBA, BCom admissions are done through CUET, and for law they take through CLAT. There are many bachelor courses in Jamia Hamdard in which direct admission can be possible through donation or capitation. 50% of total seats in all the program will be reserved for Indian Muslims, as Jamia Hamdard is a minority college. 50% of the total seats in all the program will be filled up by open merit. Now we will discuss about B Pharma and D Pharma in Jamia Hamdard. For D Pharma, there are total 60 seats and duration of course is 2 years. If we talk about eligibility criteria, then a candidate must have passed 10 plus 2. As for D Pharma admission, they take through 10 plus 2 merit. Now we are coming to B Pharma admission. Then for B Pharma, there are total 120 seats, 60 general and 60 SFS, that is self-finance. And duration of course is 4 years. And if we talk about eligibility criteria of B Pharma, then a candidate must have passed 10 plus 2 with minimum 55% and must have appeared in NEET 2024. Out of 720, you should have 400 plus marks in NEET 2024 to get admission in Jamia Hamdard. Its forms will be out in May or June. For more information about direct admission in Jamia Hamdard, you can contact or WhatsApp on the number showing on the screen. And if you like the video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.